So tell me more about what inspired you to start Natural, right? Like what's the vision and where are you taking
The
it?
vision is basically like, I think agents execute a majority of global payment volume over the next decade. And the world wasn't really designed for agents as financial actors. It was designed for humans as financial actors.
Yeah.
And so there are 13 payments products that we're working on that are designed as like, how do we support agents being the default actor or agent in the world?
Yeah.
And 6 of those are live right now. So
You guys are going to capture a large chunk of that. We believe that agents should talk like humans, and we build the communication rails to let agents and people talk to each other. So it seemed only natural that we should work together to also let them transact in the real world, right?
I mean, I think the way that humans are interacting with the world is fundamentally changing, both from a communication perspective and from a financial perspective.
Yeah.
And like, I don't see a more fitting partnership than us working together on that.
Same. I'm very excited about this.
Hi, I'm Walt. I build product at Natural. Natural is building payments infrastructure for AI agents. We allow agents to store balances, transfer between wallets, paying requests from businesses and individuals, issue cards, and accept card payments.
I'm Rashir. I run product and growth at Linq. We're excited to enable our agentic customers to request and accept payments to their Natural wallet. To get started, simply sign up for Natural through the Linq admin.